Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This lovely residential property is located in George Plain, Savanna-la-mar, on a prime corner lot. The house is ideally built to generate investment income. It is separated into two apartments, with the front section housing 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with kitchen, dining, living room, front and side patios. The upper floor consists of 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with living room, kitchen, loft area, and a laundry room. This property is ideal for use as a family home or as an investment property, with one section currently occupied by a tenant. The grounds are well fruited with mangoes, breadfruit, soursop, and banana trees, which will appeal to the nature lovers. The community is currently located with easy access to the town of Savanna-la-mar and all its amenities. Come and make this property your own. The land area of this house is approximately 9,962 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $250,000 or Jamaican $38.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.